good class. Today this is our maths lesson. Now for our maths lesson today, like we've done in our other videos, we are going to practice counting to 10 and backwards from 10. Are you ready? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your turn. Fantastic. Now let's do it backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your turn. Fantastic. Now, like we've done in our other videos, we're going to need our 10 frame. If you've got 2 of them, you can use 2 as well. And what we're going to do is we're going to play a game. Now you can play this game by yourself, but it would also be fun to play this game with your mums or your dads, or a brother or a sister, or a grandparent, anyone that you've got at home. Okay? Now, what you need to do is you need to find 10 objects. Okay? And then you need to hide them, or you need to get somebody to hide them. So I counted the same as yesterday. I counted my 10 doorknobs, and then I asked my friend to hide them all around this room. Can you see any of them? Great, maybe you'll be able to help me in my game. So what you need to do is you need to find your 10 objects, then you need to ask somebody to hide them, So you have your objects, someone hides them, and then you have to see how many of them you can find. Now, you can do it where 2 people are searching at the same time, and then you can compare to see who got more and who got fewer. Or if you have to play by yourself, you can play it like me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count backwards from 10 to give myself 10 seconds to find as many of the doorknobs as I can. Okay, can you help me to count? Right, I'm going to stand up to be ready, and then we can start counting backwards from 10 so that I have 10 seconds to find as many of the doorknobs that are hidden in the room as possible. Ready? Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I found some. Let's see how many I found. Right, so I need to use my 10 frame to help me count. I'm going to put my 10 frame here, and I'll move you nearer so you can see how I'm counting. Right, so let's see how many I got. I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I found 6 of the doorknobs. Now, do you think there was more doorknobs that need to be found? I think so, because I needed 10. So let's see if I can find the rest of them. Now, if I was playing with somebody else, this would be my 10 frame, and this would be my friend's 10 frame, or whoever I'm playing with. So I need to find the rest of the doorknobs and put them on this 10 frame as if it's what the other person found. So let's have a look for the rest of them. Can you see any of them anywhere? Oh, let's have a look. There's some under the chair. How silly. Oh, look, there's one on the radiator. Where's the other one? Can you see it? Ah, thank you. Look, it's on top of the chair. How silly. Now, let's put these ones on the 10 frame. Okay, so let's put them on the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember, you can fill up the 10 frames using whichever method you like. Now, which one has more and which one has fewer? Can you tell me? That's right, the top one has more and the bottom one has fewer. So your first challenge is, when you're playing, can you show me which one has more and which one has fewer? Now your next challenge is, can you use a sentence to compare them? So let's have a look at these ones. So we could say in a sentence that this 10 frame has more than this 10 frame. So if you were playing with this one, you would win because you have more. Now, it might happen that the two of them have the exact same. So we might both have got 5, and that would mean that they're equal. So then you would have to say, we both got equal. Okay, so it depends on what you get. Now, your next challenge is, if you're playing by yourself or with your friend, can you stop before you see what they got, and can you try to work out how many they should have based on how many you got? So if you know that there's 10, how many more could the other person have got to make it 10? So for example, if I had if I'd stopped before I checked this one and I had 6, how many more do I know that the other person would need to make 10? Now I can use the 10 frame to help me check. So I know that there's 1, 2, 3, 4 empty boxes, and that would mean that they would have to have gotten 4, because we know that 6 add 4 makes 10. Now, can you put your game and your results from your 10 frames on Tapestry to show me how you got on? Now, a message for parents. Can you please let me know on Tapestry how your child found this activity and how they found using the 10 frame to keep score and to show you more and less are equal, and using the sentences as well. That will help me to make sure that we plan lessons that are helping your child at their right level. Stay safe, everybody. See you soon. Bye bye.